Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out a couple products that have just come out. I've never used these products, and actually I fell upon them while surfing the new items in at Ulta, and we are going to be using doing a first impressions on a brand called Pacifica. Now, I've heard of this brand before, but I've never tried any of their face products. So we have the foundation, a concealer, a powder, an eyeliner, and setting spray. So I just picked up a few of these from Pacifica because they said they were their new items out, and I wanted to give it a shot because I'm all about face products. I love foundations, concealers, powders. I always want to try those types of products out when they come out. I also picked up this cute little Laura Geller eyeshadow palette, and this is the eyeshadow palette in the Warms. Here, let me show you what that looks like. It is so cute. I really like these colors, so I'm excited to play with these today. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to start with the foundation. So I have primed my face and I've done my eyebrows, so we are all set there. We are just going to go in with this Pacifica. It's called a light clean foundation, so 100% vegan and cruelty free, oil free, anti-shine with a satin finish. So, and I got the shade Cool Medium, which might be a little dark. I'm not sure. I'm so bad about picking my shade while shopping online, so let's see if I picked anything close to what I should. So this is a nice thick foundation. So it is a pump foundation, which I love pump foundations, so good job there. I like that. I just feel that the pump foundation, like the pumps, keep the foundation a little bit cleaner. You're not getting as many like bacteria or stuff getting in there. So let's see how this looks. So far, some really good coverage. You can see that. Wow, I like that. And that was just like 1.5 pumps on my hand. It does have a slight fragrance to it, which is fine. It's not like super overwhelming. It just is kind of a nice, like, clean, like, smell to it. So we're gonna do one more pump on the back of our hand, and we're gonna do the other side of the face. I like this a lot. It is covering up my redness very well. It does have a dewy finish, and I know I've said this before. Once you put powder on it, it kind of like takes away some of that dewiness. So if you don't like a dewy foundation, just wait until you apply the powder and see if it still is a little bit more shiny than you like, or sometimes it mattes it right down and it's no big deal. During the winter time, the winter months, I don't mind a more dewy foundation just because it's so dry here that it just, I like kind of that, not wet look, but a more hydrated look. So that was like 2.5 pumps, and it covered my face completely. I don't feel like I have to go back and apply more anywhere. I think the coverage is really nice. It does again have that like light, kind of like cleanish fragrance to it. I don't mind it. I really can't smell it now that I've applied it. But so we're gonna move on to concealer, and I picked up their Natural Minerals Liquid Cover Full Coverage Lasting Concealer. I picked the shade 20NF. So we are going to apply that. It is very thick going on. I like that. It does look like it is going to be pretty full coverage like it states. All right, let's get that blended in. It definitely is full coverage. Yeah, I like that a lot. I like it. It totally covered up the darkness and discoloration under my eyes. So I'm liking that. I'm really liking that right now. I also picked up their Cherry Velvet Matte Translucent Setting Powder. So we're going to use this under our eyes and to set our whole face. Ooh, okay. I like this. I have another setting powder that kind of does this. So you have this little lid that flips up, and then there's this little mesh fabric in the bottom, and then the powder just comes up through that. It's really cool. I like that a lot. It keeps it nice and clean. So we're going to go ahead and take our little brush and get under our eyes and everywhere that we put the concealer. Ooh. I think I put a little bit too much powder on this brush. Now the powder has a smell too. Oh my gosh, why does everything have a smell? I don't know what the smell is. It's just kind of like it's not offensive whatsoever. It's not a bad smell. It just there is a little bit of a smell with the powder as well. Just so you know, it's cherry blossoms. That's what it is. This is the I'm such a goof. Yeah, it's called the Cherry Velvet Matte Translucent Powder. So that is what I smell, cherry blossoms. I knew it wasn't like an offensive smell whatsoever. I actually kind of liked it, but there is a fragrance to this. So now we're going to take our big fluffy brush and we are going to set the rest of our face using this powder. Yeah. If you do not like the smell of cherry blossoms, you are not going to like this powder whatsoever. But I will tell you, I like this powder. Wow. It not only mattified the foundation, but it also like totally like smoothed out my skin. I like this. This is nice. If you can get past that smell for a couple seconds, you're gonna really like this. I think this is great. And obviously I will let you know in the comments below how this lasted throughout the day. Again, I will try to remember the video. I will probably forget, so I'll just leave a comment, and I apologize. I'll get the hang of this and eventually start adding my little video blurbs at the end of the day of how the makeup looked at that moment. So moving on, we are going to go ahead and just kind of bronze up the face, add some blush, and I'm going to move into the eyeshadow palette, this cute little Laura Geller eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to go ahead and bronze and get all that done, and I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so we are ready. I'm all bronzed and we got blush on. We are ready to do our eyes. I'm going to go in with that Pacifica concealer, and I'm just going to put a base on my eyes here so that we can go ahead and get started with that eyeshadow. Wow, look at that. It like totally took away any of that discoloration on my eyelids. I love, oh god, I love this concealer. This is awesome stuff. Look at that, like you don't see any redness, you don't see any veins, you don't see anything. Wow, this concealer is like gold. All right, let's go ahead and get into this palette. I am going to first go in with this real light shade. I'm going to just put it all over my lid just to set that concealer that I put on my lid. So that we can start with some color. My skin just looks so smooth and pretty. I love the way it looks. Yay. So we are going to go in with, let's see, we're going to go in with this little pink shade right here as our transition. So I'm going to grab my brush. Now this palette does have 3 mattes and the rest are shimmer shades, so we are going to just go in with what we have here. Ooh, great pigment on this. I love it. I'm not seeing any fallout, nothing. This is like, I love this. I love it when shadows do what they're supposed to do. It makes me happy. Okay, so I'm going to take one of my flatter pencils and I'm going to, I think we're going to try this like silvery. I almost want to put that on my lid because I don't know. Let's try it and see. If not, we can always cover it up with something else. You know what? I'm going to use my finger. That is pretty. I love that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That is pretty. I like the way that looks. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this dark shade, just like in the corners, to add a little something to the eye look here. Let's see. I'm gonna go back and with that like pinkish color. So this color right here, and I'm going to go like where the silver and the like brownish color meet, and we're just going to add this in between. Okay, so now we're going to do our lower lash, and we're going to go in with that like pinkish shade again, and we're going to start with that. Okay, now we're going to go in with that darker shade just in the corners. I have to take that silver shade that I'm going to pop that in the corners. There you have it. And what we're going to do, I am going to take like my highlighter palette. Now this is the Milani's Rose Glow highlighter palette. I'm going to go in with this light shade. I'm going to pop that right in the middle of my eyes, just to add a little something else to this look. Okay, we're going to move on to eyeliner, and I did pick up a liquid eyeliner. This is their I Love Liquid Charcoal Eyeliner, rich black color felt tip liner. So we are going to move on into this and line our eyes. So here's what the tip looks like. It's just very, very tiny and thin. I like that. Let's go ahead and get this on. So, it's just okay. It's not very pigmented, so you do need to go over your eyes a couple times to get the color palette that you're looking for, if that's what you're looking for. If you like a soft black color, this is just fine then for you. I like my eyeliner to be a little more black, so not what I was looking for. The foundation though, and the powder and the concealer are like beautiful. I can't say enough great things about that. I'm really, really happy with that. So, ooh, and another thing, the eyeliner is making my top of my eyelid kind of burn. I don't know why it would be doing that. So, yeah. Oh, I don't like that feeling whatsoever. I do like this cute little palette. So let's go on and get some mascara on. Okay, our mascara is on, so we are ready to move along. I did pick up the Pacific Cherry Matte Setting Spray, so we are going to go ahead and spritz our face with this. Yeah, that cherry blossom, and there's raspberry scent in there too. Oh, it smells so good. I do like the way this smells. I so far am really liking these products. I think they're going to work out well with my skin. I will let you know in the comments below how everything worked out through the day. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button as well as the little bell to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye.